Moving on. I just thought this one was funny. Simon, thank you very much. I don't know how you managed to fit it into the silhouette, but you did. I don't even know what this is. We got speakers at the top. I don't know what I'm looking at. We've got dual mics on the bottom. And yes, we've got the doggizer. But I don't know what I'm looking at. What is she on? Is she on a podium? What's on the back? I don't know. I'm confused. But yes, I'll let you marvel in its beauty because I have no words to explain what this is.